you are going to get the intermediate exam result, I am here explaining how to get your intermediate result, because there will be lot of load on the server. So I will be giving you the what websites you can visit for your examination result, because if you are all of you are visiting only one or two website, then it will be crashed. So you will be suffering how to get your result, you will be more tensed. So for that I am giving you many websites are also offering your 10th result, intermediate results. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how to get your intermediate results. Okay, so that you can get your good news as very fast and with the easiest way. Okay. Good morning, students. Today is going to be one of the auspicious day for you, because intermediate exam results are going to come. And be brave. I hope everything goes well with you all students. All of you will get the good result, and think that if you are a failure by mistake, if you are a failure, that success is not opposite word of the failure. Okay, failure is a part of success. If you fail at once, that means there is a lot of scope for improvement in you. Okay, and anyhow I will wish you all that this time only you will succeed and you will score good marks. And but still, if there is any chance, like you may not be getting the 100%, that 5%, 10%, 9%, whatever the percent you are lagging, I want that less percentage which you got, you should learn from that mistake and improve on that area, so that your future prospect should be bright. And at which camp we are always in a continuous developing as per the students requirement. Okay, so we will also give you education related information, not only for the board exams but also for the MCET exams, for the IIT mains, IIT advanced, as well as many entrance examination like NEET, AIMS, AFMC, BITSAT, KVPY, Olympiad exams. So all my concentration will be to improve the education level of the students. So for that, what I will do the any subject in the easiest form, easy to understand. If you understand easily, then you will definitely get interest. So for creating the interest and not making you to hard work, making you to smart work, that is my main aim. So at which camp we are offering many different services, especially right now we are in the chemistry and we are in a process to expand it to the all subject. Okay, so by the time that we require a lot of support from your students community. Whatever the problems you face, that you let me know in the comment section. Let it be any kind of problem, I will try to solve it my level best. It is not that there is no student without any problem. Every student got some problem. If those problems are being guided in a proper way, they are going to be success. Okay, so as far as my experience is concerned, people are facing difficulties in understanding. They want less time and more scoring. For that, in my playlist I have introduced short tricks. Okay, so in chemistry there are many short tricks, and there are many yet to come. Few already I have uploaded and many yet to come. But how much I will work, it completely depends upon your comments, subscriptions, shares and likes. More like you video, then I will be more enthusiastic to give you more tricks. You will be saving your time and you will saving your bright future. Okay, so there are some topics which need separate segregation, like theories to be taught immediately after the theory, how the questions are coming, relating the theory as per the latest current pattern of questions. So I divided most of the topic into theory session and question session, so that your concept also should be clear, as well as your questions also you should be attempting in a nice way. Okay. And high scoring topics, when you got very less time before the examinations and you wanted to study very less but score good, then you go for the high scoring topics. And recently central government has formed a NTA, which is responsible for conducting all type of examinations. And as our Indian government also want that every poor student also should be intimated about the pattern of questions. So because of that, they launched the app, Abhyas app. So in every chapter, I am collecting the model question from the Abhyas app and giving you the questions from that. Okay. So I hope you all will be successful in your intermediate examination and getting prepared for the engineering and medical examination. And for that, tomorrow is going to be today is going to be very difficult day to control your emotions. Let it be happiness, let it be sorrowness, and in that controlling, you may stuck up in how to get your result. And that website is going to be loaded with many of the requests. That's why in my comments, in my description, I am going to give you the 10 links from which you can view your result. Okay. And be ready for the good result and prepare for the best. Okay. Hope for the best and prepare for the best, and which came is always with you in your sad times, in your good times. For that, always you have to do only one thing: subscribe and share. All of you have a bright future ahead, and click to my description box of this video for the website link of tomorrow's result, today's result. Okay. Bye bye. See you.